Hello from slidenerd and hello from Weaves. What's up, guys? In this vid, I'm gonna talk about this pattern, which is the last of our twisted aster-ix stuff. So let's go ahead and see how this one is made. It's a little different than the others, but still the trick remains basically the same. So let's go ahead and see the output. Enter the size 5. It's something like this. So now let me go ahead and show you how this is done. Print 1 star by saying print star. Put a for loop for j is 1, j less than 4, j plus plus. Then you'll print 4 stars, right? Need another for loop, then you'll print 16 stars. Make sure you had a new line at the end of the for loop. And then here is the thing you should observe. Now these are the ones you want, right? It's pretty simple. Let me go ahead and show you why those are the ones we want. Now if you see this one, why do you need a space over here? Take a good look. J is 1 over here, I is 2. J is less than I, right? Here J is 1, J is 2, J is less than I, so we have a space. J is 1, J is 2, J is 3, I is 4. J is less than I, we have a space, right? So the condition is something like this. J is less than I, print a space, else print star, right? And then you have the new line. So let me go to NetBeans, get this program up and running. It's a pretty simple program. Let's see how this is done. I'm not going to take any user inputs because it's too simple. You can figure out what you need to do with the buffered reader once you understand how this works. Alright, so in NetBeans I have stuff over here. I'm not going to take user input, as I said. I'm going to simply say int size equals to 5. It's pretty simple. I'll say system dot out dot print. Remember, print for making sure that you have star with no new line. If you say print ln, it's going to put a new line after every character, right? So let's go ahead and see. Now I want this 5 times or size times. I'll say int j equals to 1, j less than equals to size, j plus plus. I'll say control S, shift F6. As you guys can see, it's printing 5 stars. Now I need this 5 times. I'll put another for loop. I'll say for int I equals to 1, I less than equals to size, I plus plus. Control S, shift F6. Printing all the 16 or 20 of them in the same line. So let me go ahead and put a new line over here. I'll say system.out.println. Remember, at the end of every row we want a new line. This is one full row, right? So let's go ahead and put a new line at the end. Control S, shift F6. So you guys can see all 20 are separated. It's 25, I guess. I'm not good at maths, so let's go ahead and see how this works. Alright, now what I don't need is this, these two, these 3 and these 4, right? So I'm gonna simply put our condition where I'm gonna say if j is less than equals I, j less than I, I'll print space, else I'll print my stars, right? I'll press Alt, Shift and F for formatting everything. So now that looks pretty good. Control S, Shift F6. As you guys can see, it's working. Let's change the size and test it. Put a size like 6 maybe. Let's see. Control S, Shift F6. And bam, it's working perfectly. So I hope you guys understood something out of this. It's a pretty simple program. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think about this. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Have a nice day.